Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wiwi Talk Pod, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Justin.
Hello, Justin. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today.
Before we talk about today's topic, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to Wiwi Talk Pod.
It helps us so much. And please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Today, we're talking about a topic that is very close to our hearts, feelings. In daily life, we often focus on what we do, but it is just as important to talk about how we feel.
I agree, Justin. Sharing your feelings is how you build real friendships. If you only talk about the weather or your job, the conversation stays on the surface. When you say, I feel happy, or I am worried, you are opening up to the other person.
For beginners, the easiest way to start is with the verb to be or the verb to feel. You can say, I am happy, or I feel happy. Both are perfect.
Let's look at some positive feelings first. Everyone knows happy, but what are some other words we can use to sound more natural?
A great one is excited. Beginners often use happy when they really mean excited. If you were going to a concert tonight, you aren't just happy, you are excited. You are looking forward to it.
Another good one is relaxed. After a long bath or a weekend at the beach, you feel relaxed. It's that calm, peaceful feeling.
And don't forget proud. We use this when we do something well. I am proud of myself for finishing this English lesson. You should all feel proud of yourselves right now.
Now, let's look at the other side. Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes we feel sad or upset.
Upset is a very useful word because it can mean many things. It can mean you are a little bit angry, a little bit sad, or just disappointed. If someone is mean to you, you feel upset.
What about when we have too much work? I know I feel stressed quite often.
Stressed or overwhelmed. Overwhelmed is when you feel like you have too much to do and you don't know where to start. It's like a big wave of work is crashing over you.
I think a lot of our listeners might feel nervous about speaking English. That is a very common feeling. Your heart beats fast and your hands might shake a little.
That's a great example. You can say, I'm a little nervous to speak, but I'm trying my best. People will appreciate your honesty and will usually be very patient with you.
How do we ask someone else about their feelings, Justin? We can't just say, how are you, every time.
You can ask, how are you feeling today? Or, is everything okay? If a friend looks sad, you can say, you seem a little down. Do you want to talk about it?
Down is a common way to say sad in casual English. I'm feeling a bit down today. It sounds very natural and not too dramatic.
We also use bored. This is a feeling beginners often mix up. Remember, I am bored means you have nothing to do. The movie is boring means the movie is not interesting.
That is a classic mistake. Never say, I am boring, unless you want people to think you are a very dull person. Say, I am bored.
Let's talk about tired. There are levels to being tired. If you are just a little tired, you say, I'm tired. If you are very, very tired, you can say, I'm exhausted.
Exhausted is a strong word. It means you have zero energy left. I usually feel exhausted after a 10-mile hike.
What about when someone does something nice for you? You feel grateful or thankful.
I'm so grateful for your help. It's a beautiful way to show appreciation. It goes deeper than just saying thank you.
Let's practice a short dialogue. I'll be a friend who notices you look a bit different today.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Amelia, you look really happy today. Did something happen?
Actually, yes. I'm so excited because I just booked a trip to Italy for the summer. I've wanted to go for years, so I feel really proud that I saved enough money.
That's amazing. I'm so happy for you. I was feeling a bit stressed this morning because of work, but hearing your news makes me feel better.
Thanks, Justin. I hope your day gets more relaxed soon.
Me too. That was a great exchange. We used happy, excited, proud, stressed, and relaxed all in 1 minute.
The key for beginners is to add a little or really to show the strength of the feeling. I'm a little tired versus I'm really tired.
That's a very easy way to be more specific. Also, pay attention to your body language. In English, we often use our faces to show our feelings while we speak.
True. A smile goes a long way when you say, I'm happy.
To our listeners, try to check in with yourself today. Ask yourself, how do I feel right now? And try to answer in English.
Even if you are just hungry, that is a feeling too.
Hungry is definitely a feeling I have very often.
Well, we hope this episode helps you express your heart a little more clearly in English.
Thank you for joining us on Wiwi Talk Pod. We are grateful to have you as listeners.
Keep practicing, keep feeling, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.